Hi friends. Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Isabel. I'm happy to see you on my channel. Two medium potatoes. Potatoes are one of the oldest veggies in the world. People have grown them for over 7,000 years. Add water and boil the potatoes until soft. Two eggs. Eggs are a valuable source of protein, vitamins, and minerals that are essential for maintaining the body's health and energy levels. Potatoes come in white, yellow, and even purple, a fun way to surprise your guests. Add 3/4 cup of milk. Add the prepared egg mixture. Add 4 tablespoons of flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix everything well. Add salt. Add black pepper. Spread the dough into a pizza pan lined with parchment paper. Fun fact: potatoes are natural comedians. Make smiley fries for kids and laughter will fill the kitchen. One onion. Use a sharp, wide kitchen knife for slicing. It's faster and safer. Rich in antioxidants, especially quercetin, onions help fight inflammation and support heart health. Vegetable oil. Sauté the onion. Cut the chicken fillet into small pieces. I'm using 1 large chicken fillet today. Chicken is a great source of protein. It helps your body grow and recover. While onions are sizzling, chop 2 cloves of garlic. It'll add aroma and spice. Garlic, a natural antibiotic, strengthens immunity, lowers blood pressure and cholesterol levels. It also supports heart health, lowers cholesterol, and adds bold flavor to any dish. I love that sizzling sound. It means the magic of flavor is starting. Fried onions become sweet and fragrant, adding depth and aroma to any dish. Add the chicken to the onion and garlic. Chicken is easy to digest and perfect for a balanced, healthy diet. Chicken has amino acids that help your memory and brain stay sharp. Grate the carrot using a grater. Carrots are rich in vitamins, fiber, antioxidants, and support eye health. Add the carrot. Carrots are good for eyesight and help strengthen the immune system. Shimeji mushrooms. Shimeji mushrooms are a nutritious food, rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and can help support a healthy immune system. Tell me in the comments which city you're watching from, I'd love to know. Add the shimeji mushrooms. Chop 1 red bell pepper into small pieces. Bell peppers, red, yellow, or green, are rich in vitamin C and great for your immune system. Each color brings a different flavor. Red is sweet, yellow is mild, and green is a bit tangy. This recipe is incomparable. I highly recommend trying it. Red peppers are so bright they make any dish cheerful. They're full of carotenoids, great for your skin and eyes. Add the chopped pepper to the pan and stir well so everything cooks evenly. Fried veggies aren't just tasty, they're also healthy and easier to digest. Veggies and chicken together, the perfect balance of protein and vitamins for lasting energy. Add salt. Add black pepper. Add some smoked paprika for a touch of smokiness. It's filling but not heavy, healthy and satisfying at the same time. Parsley. Parsley is not just a garnish, it's packed with vitamin K, important for bones and blood vessels. Add the parsley to the vegetables. Look how colorful and beautiful it's turning out, a real feast for the eyes. Spread the filling over the dough. Let me know in the comments if you liked this recipe. I'd love to hear from you. – 200 grams of mozzarella cheese, about 7 ounces. Mozzarella cheese provides protein and calcium for healthy bones. Place the cheese on top of the filling. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. 3 tablespoons of sour cream. Add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1 clove of garlic. Fresh dill. Add the dill to the sauce. Add salt. Mix everything thoroughly. It's absolutely delicious, aromatic, tender, and totally homemade. If you liked this recipe, share it with your friends, spread the tasty vibes. Thanks for watching till the end. Hit like, or my salad might get jealous. Enjoy your meal.